Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZOM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very impressive movement today. When you stop and think about the fact that on Friday the price was down here, and now the price has worked its way all the way up to where it has. Sure, it did pull back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where the price was down at its lows on Friday to where it is right now, good solid move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but mapping out this question very straightforward. Charts does a great job of that, specifically in regard to this 96 cent mark. Now, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say that the price comes down here to 96 and then breaks to the downside. What would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, you'd have the price having gone right back inside of the range where it just was. I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But also, to be fair, no price can just go straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves like that, and then the different part being, well, works its way upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down here. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 96 cents. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, first key area of resistance on any sort of attempted movement back upwards going to be there at $1.06. And then after $1.06, next key level up there at this area, which sits at $1.10. So $1.06, $1.10, next couple of key battlegrounds to watch moving forward. But all in all, any angle you look at it, very impressive movement today. Good solid volume. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.